welcome back. So I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial this on the subculture with the subculture palette that I just got a little while ago, and I was just playing around with it today. I didn't really have a set eye look that I wanted to do, but I ended up coming up with this kind of thing. So if you want to see the tutorial on this, just keep watching, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. And just to let you guys know, this will probably be the setup for a while. I don't really have a nice kind of blank wall, but I do like this blue one. This is my bed. I put this nice blanket on it so it's not messy. But yeah, this will have to be the setup for a little while until I figure out everything being rearranged. Alright, so I think I have zoomed into a pretty good place where you guys can see everything. I'm actually going to kind of just wing it and see what I can make from this. I'm thinking of a more purpley look to kind of match my shirt. So I'm actually going to go in with, let's go in with Dawn first. It's the shade right here, and we're going to do that on the crease area just to be able to blend all those colors out, and I'm just going to do a really light wash of it. Okay, and then I want to go in with Mercury, which is this nice, pretty gray color. Alright, so now I'm going into a different brush, and I'm going to go into the shade All Star. And then taking a really small pointer brush from Morphe, I'm going to go into the shade Rowdy and just put that right in the crease for now. And then going back into that fluffer brush, I'm going to take more of All Star and blend out Rowdy with it. So this looks really messy right now, but I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and we are going to do a more of a high cut crease kind of look, so that's why yeah, that's going on. I'm taking a e.l.f. concealer brush, and it's the really small one, and we are just going to cut out the crease. Okay, I'm gonna go into Rowdy again because the cut crease isn't looking as dark as that base as I want it to, so I'm just gonna add some right where that line is, and then we can kind of blend it out with a smaller brush. Okay, so now you can see it kind of looks a little bit more cleaned up. So I think that's what I'm going to do on the other eye, because cut creases are hard and sometimes they just lay different than where you thought they would. So yeah, this eye is done. I'm going to clean it up with a little bit more concealer just on that line, and then I'm going to go do this eye off camera. So I kind of have the foundation of the cut crease now, so we're going to go in with the shade Cube, and this one you really have to dig into pretty badly to be able to get any pigment off of it. And just because I know it needs a stickier base and I don't have my MAC Fix Plus with me, I'm going to put on some glitter glue from NYX and put that where the cut crease is. So just ignore this eye. I tried to do glitter. I'll like insert a clip of how it failed. Nope, we're not. This shade sucks. And we're actually just going to go in with this Infallible, the L'Oreal Infallible shade in Liquid Diamond. And we're just going to put this more purple shade on top of Cube, because Cube is just not doing it for me. I keep trying to work with it and it just doesn't want to. So this isn't going to be just that kind of color. Yeah. Alright, so this is the eye look. I'm going to put a liner on and I will be right back again. Alright, so you can see with a liner, this look looks so much better. So we are going to finish it off with the Cube shade again. And we are going to try to put that just like on the brow bone to kind of give it some pop up there. And this is definitely more of a pinkish kind of purple look. You can also use whatever highlighter you like. Alright, so my camera died. So I did charge it up a little bit. Hopefully it lasts till the end when I'm done. I did put on some lip gloss while I was waiting. But yeah. So we are going to go back in and do the lower lash line. So I'm going to take the shade Dawn again. And I'm going to go into the shade Mercury. And into the shade All Star. Back into the shade Mercury to blend it out. We are not going to go in with Rowdy on the lower lash line because I don't prefer to have mine too dark, just because then it kind of makes you look tired. So we're just going to go with a medium kind of darkness. Alright, so now we're going to go in with the Sephora black eyeliner in waterproof, and we're just going to put that in the waterline. I usually do black. You can do like a tan or a white. A white would probably look pretty good with this look, but I don't own one, so we're just gonna stick to the black. And since I have it on hand, I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This mascara is alright. I do have a Mascara Monday on it, so I'll leave that in the corner. But if you want to dupe the L'Oreal Lash Paradise from the drugstore, also works. I'm not going to curl my lashes or anything like that. I'm just going to go right in. Alright, so that is it for this little subculture tutorial. I know at some TJ Maxx's this is on sale right now for like $25-ish instead of the regular $42. I have obviously used this quite a bit, but there's also quite a bit of fallout. I'm going to do more tutorials with this. I'm going to do kind of more of a kind of like a greenish kind of a blue look. So I will definitely do one of those another time, but purple is one of my favorite colors, so I thought I would do a more purple burgundy kind of summery-ish look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little makeup tutorial. If you want to see more content from me, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell notification in the corner so that it sends you a notification when I post. So I'll see you guys in my next one.